Okay guys, this time I will give an opinion about our new president Mr. Prabowo Subianto. He is our new president for the period 2024 to 2029. He was appointed as president on October 20, 2024 by having a firm and brave attitude. He is a different president from the previous one because he is a retired general of the Indonesian National Army. It is very good for our nation to have a leader like that so that our nation can progress better and become a strong nation. Mr. Prabowo continues to make breakthroughs that give rise to new optimism to lead Indonesia towards an advanced future, something that has never been done by a previous government is being carried out at the military academy, so that it's good and beneficial for nation to strengthen defense and peace in Indonesia. He also emphasized the need for a uniquely Indonesian democracy, namely a democracy that is polite and peaceful, avoiding violence and fighting against each other. For this reason, he invited all citizens of the nation to work together to build Indonesia towards a better future by respecting difference and prioritizing cooperation. And my hope is that the Indonesian nation will become more advanced, don't be a nation that is left behind by other countries. We must also be a nation that is at the forefront in every way. Thank you. Fighting Mr. Prabowo. Okay guys, this time I will explain a PowerPoint about present continuous. Present continuous. What is present continuous? The present continuous is a verb tense used to describe an action that is currently happening or to describe a future plan. Example 1. Describing an action that is happening, you are using the internet. 2. Describing a future plan, I'm throwing a party next week. The present continuous is also known as the present progressive or present imperfect. It is formed by combining the present tense of the auxiliary verb be with the present participle of another verb. For example, I'm swimming. Here are some examples of the present continuous in a sentence. I am just leaving work. Mary is going to a new school next term. These days, most people are using email instead of writing letters. The present continuous is similar to the past continuous, which describes a continuous action that began in the past. The past continuous use was and were, the past tense of to be. But, but what I really want to convey is how the event unfolded, showing the action it is happening. Example, they are sitting at Scott's favorite booth, the one with the sparkling red plastic seats. For how long, we don't know. But we don't know they are sitting there now. From this narrative point of view, the action is immediate and continuous. There's momentum. So sometimes writers use this tense to add suspense or humor in fictional pieces. What kind of pancakes will Scott and his aunt order? The suspense is killing me. The present continuous formula to form the present continuous. follow this formula. To be am is are plus verb present participle. When to use the present continuous tense? Use the present continuous tense with the appropriate to be verb and a dynamic verb. And dynamic verb shows action and or process. When not to use the present continuous tense. Do not use the present continuous tense with stative verbs. Stative verbs show a state of being that does not show qualities of change. These verbs can stay in the simple present. Incorrect. Aunt Christine is preferring the maple walnut pancakes over the banana peanut butter ones the Scott loves. Correct. Aunt Christine prefers the maple walnut pancakes over the banana peanut butter and butter ones that Scott loves. The exception to the rule, some verbs can be both dynamic and static. Think about the verbs to be and to think. In its dynamic form, the verb to be can show action. Example: Sarah, Scott's little sister, is being bold by ordering the jalapeno chipotle pancakes. But in its stative form, the verb to be is awkward if conjugated in the present continuous. Incorrect. Sarah is being a tall teenager who loves her food spicy and her sports dangerous. Correct. Sarah is a tall teenager who loves her food spicy and her sports dangerous. Here are some more examples. The waiter thinks Scott should save room for pumpkin pie. Stative and in the simple present. The waiter is thinking about getting a new job that requires less human interaction, like a veterinarian. Dynamic and in the present continuous. The final say, if you are teaching English or learning it, I'd recommend simply sticking to grammatically correct construction and leaving the idiomatic expression to the creator of advertisement and song lyrics. In formal writing, the expert recommend that when you can use fewer words to express a thought, you should so use the present continuous sparingly. Short and sweet can't be beat. Common construction in the present continuous tense. Pronoun I, to be, am. Common dynamic verbs to write. Present continuous construction. I'm writing. Common dynamic verbs that use the present continuous. Active verbs. Act. Process verbs. Change. Sense verbs. Feel, as in touch. Call, grow, hope. Common stative verbs that do not use the present continuous. Opinion verbs. Deserve. Ownership verbs. Own. Emotion verbs. Feel. Thank you.